Hi everyone, I'm Rajvi from Remax. Today we are going to learn how we can make our home stand out. While we conduct an open house, it is very important for us to make our home stand out, look special. Very important it is to see how we have staged the property. When I say staged, it is how nicely furnished the property is. A person who is coming to see the house, it is very important for them to have a nice experience of the house. It is like we going to Starbucks or we going to Cafe Coffee Day to have a cup of coffee. Why do we do that versus having a cup of coffee home? It is because going to Cafe Coffee Day gives us nice vibrations about that place. There's some nice music going around. You like gossiping or having a chit chat with your friend out there. The smell, the aroma, the ambience that a coffee shop has gives you an experience of having a good time out just for a cup of coffee. For this cup of coffee, you are ready to pay $100 versus actually 10 rupees at home. This is how you make somebody feel about that place. How do we do that is what we are going to see today. It is said that you need to elicit emotions in the client's mind when this person comes to see the house. How do you do that? Is by touching 5 senses of a person. To begin with, the first one is let the person touch. Why touch is because sometimes it happens that we are showing a property to somebody and we do not really get happy when the person tries to touch the property. Touches and goes near the kitchen, opens the drawer or sits on the couch. Please let them do that. Let them feel that it is like their home. Once they experience this by touching, it really makes a lot of difference. The second one is visual experience. It should be a visual treat to the eyes when they first enter the house and they see it at the first glance. Whether it is staged or not, that is whether it is furnished or not, whether it is nicely looking. It should have a pleasant eyesight. For example, if it is evening time, you may have nice lights put on properly or a nice little candle to lit up a very special corner of the house. Make sure that the house is looking very nice. For example, if it is daytime, make sure that you open a window so that a person gets to see how the house looks like in the daylight. Tasting. Make sure that they can snack on something when they are seeing this house. It may be a bottle of water, some popcorn, or maybe lemon juice, or maybe cookies, or it can be anything. It is just that they seeing the house and then they being there for like 10-15 minutes should have an experience on them and they feel like it is just their house and this is it. Going ahead, it is very important that the house is nicely, pleasantly smelling. For that, you may use a nice room freshener or as I said, keep the windows open of the house, the door open so that there is no moist smell or any kind of smell which shows that this particular property is not in a functional condition or is closed since a long time. Moreover, if you can have some light music going on in the house, that would really add up to the ambience of this particular house. Very important it is that you are able to say, let's see your home instead of let's go see this house. There's a lot of difference between house and home. Make your house stand out because buying is emotional. You have to become memorable and this experience has to be memorable even more than the house. Good luck on how you stage the property. Thank you.